Whatever you've heard about the Netherlands, windmills, tulips, quiet canals, forget it, because this country isn't supposed to exist. Large parts of it sit below sea level, vulnerable, exposed, and constantly at risk. And yet it's still here, not by chance, not by nature, but by control. Here, water is managed, land is engineered, and even beauty feels designed today. We're not just exploring the Netherlands, we're uncovering 10 places that reveal what this country really is. A place balancing between precision and disaster. And by the end, you'll never see it the same way again. Number 10, Kinderdijk. At first it feels calm. Rows of windmills standing silently beside still water. But this isn't just a peaceful landscape, it's a defense system. For over 700 years, these windmills have been used to drain excess water, keeping the land from disappearing. Without them, this place wouldn't exist. And when the wind picks up and the blades begin to turn, you realize something unsettling. They're not here for beauty, they're here to keep the water out. Number 9, Giethoorn. No roads, no traffic, no sound, except water moving beneath you. Giethoorn feels like a village frozen in time. Boats replace cars, canals replace streets. Everything is quiet. Too quiet. As you drift between houses and narrow waterways, it feels less like a place people live, and more like something carefully preserved. Like time paused here, and no one ever pressed play again. Number 8, Zandse Schans. Windmills turn slowly against the sky. Wooden houses stand in perfect alignment. Every detail feels intentional. Zandse Schans looks like history, but it doesn't feel like the past. It feels reconstructed, maintained, almost curated. Nothing is out of place, and that precision makes one thing clear. This isn't just heritage, it's control over how the past is remembered. Number 7, Amsterdam Canal Ring. From above, it's perfect. A series of canals forming near-perfect circles around the city. Symmetry, order, design. But at night, it changes. The water reflects everything. Lights flicker across the surface, and the narrow streets feel tighter. Quieter, there's movement, but no chaos. It feels like the city is always in motion, even when it looks completely still. Number 6, Delta Works. This is the reason the Netherlands exists. The Delta Works, one of the most advanced flood defense systems ever built. Massive barriers, steel gates, moving walls of protection. When storms rise, these structures close, holding back the sea itself. It's not just impressive, it's necessary. Because without this system, millions of people would be at risk. Entire regions would disappear. And that's the truth beneath everything you've seen. This country doesn't just live with water, it survives it. Number 5, Keukenhof Gardens. At first glance, it's pure beauty. Millions of flowers stretching in every direction. Perfect colors, perfect patterns. But look closer, nothing here is random. Each flower is planted by hand. Each design is planned months in advance. This isn't nature growing freely, it's nature arranged, disciplined. Number 4, Biesbosch National Park. This is where control begins to slip. A maze of rivers, wetlands, and shifting islands. The water doesn't stay still, the land doesn't stay fixed. Everything moves, everything changes. Unlike the rest of the country, this place isn't fully controlled, and that's what makes it different. Here, nature doesn't follow rules, it writes its own. Number 3, Efteling. At first, it feels like a dream. Fairy tales, music, stories brought to life, but stay longer and something shifts. The forests feel deeper, the atmosphere feels older. Efteling doesn't just show you stories, it pulls you into them, and after a while it stops feeling like fiction, it feels familiar. Like something remembered rather than imagined. Number 2, Veluwe. The Veluwe is silence. Forests stretching endlessly. Sand dunes where nothing moves. Open land with no structure. No symmetry. Just space. Raw, uncontrolled. And when you go deep enough, you stop seeing the Netherlands as a system. For a moment, it feels untouched. Like the land before it was shaped, managed, and controlled. Number 1, Amsterdam. This is the heart of the Netherlands. Amsterdam, a city built on water, but not meant to exist. Beneath every street, wooden poles hold it up. Thousands of them driven deep into the ground just to keep the city standing. Canals cut through everything. Silent, still, watching. By day, it feels alive. Bikes, voices, movement, but at night, it changes. Reflections in the water. Empty streets, shadows between the lights, because this city isn't just beautiful, it's fragile, always balancing between land and water, between past and present, and beneath it all, the question remains, how long can it hold? The Netherlands looks calm, peaceful, perfect, controlled, but underneath, there's constant tension, between land and sea, between nature and design, between what exists and what could be lost. This isn't just a country you visit, it's a country that's continuously being protected, continuously being held together. So the next time you see windmills, canals, or endless fields of flowers, remember, none of it is accidental, and all of it could disappear. If you enjoyed this journey, tell me, which place stayed with you the most? And if you want to explore more places like this, you already know what to do.